Good morning, students. So, we are doing chapter number 2, which is teeth and microbes. Yesterday, we discussed about teeth, sets of teeth, kinds of teeth, and the structure of a tooth. So, today we will discuss next portion of this chapter. So, let's start. So, tooth decay. So, what is a tooth decay? The decaying of our teeth in the form of holes, cavities, or plaque, that is called tooth decay. So, how it happens? When we eat food, the small bits of food may stick between our teeth. Now, if we do not wash our mouth properly, or if we do not brush our teeth properly, then this stuck food rots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs which is called plaque. Now, when we would eat food, the sugar present in our food reacts with this plaque and form acids, which affects the enamel and starts decaying. Enamel is the thick outer part of our tooth. So it causes holes or cavities in the enamel and dentine. As our enamel and dentine decayed, the pulp which is inside the dentine gets exposed. Now, when we would have any cold or hot thing, it comes in the contact of that pulp, which consists of nerves and the blood vessels. As a result, we feel pain. This is called toothache. So, what are the result of tooth decay? So, we feel pain, that is called toothache, and there will be the holes or cavities. The foul smell comes from our mouth. There may be the loss of teeth. There may be the stomach disorders, and there will be the bleeding gums. So let's discuss how to take care of our teeth. As we know, teeth are very important part of our body because they help us to bite our food, they help us to chew the food, and they help us to speak clearly. So that's why we must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. How can we take care of our teeth? Yes, we must brush our teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and at night before going to bed. Eat raw vegetables and fruits like carrots and apples, as these contain various vitamins and minerals which are good for our teeth and gums. We should avoid too many sweets and chocolates because they spoil our teeth, as these are sugar containing substances which causes tooth decay, right? And rinse your mouth properly with water after every meal. We should have milk and milk products daily. As you know, milk contains calcium, so it is a mineral that makes our teeth strong. And we must floss our teeth every day to remove food and plaque from between the earth where the toothbrush is unable to reach. And teeth that are not kept clean get covered with the yellow substance which is called tartar, and this can be removed by a dentist. And we should visit a dentist at least twice a year, right? Now let's discuss what is the correct method of brushing our teeth. So first of all, we should clean our upper teeth. So in first step, clean the outside surface of upper teeth in the downward motion from up to down. In second step, then clean the inside surface of upper teeth. Again use a downward sweeping motion. Next step, now clean the lower part of the teeth. First of all, clean the outside surface of lower teeth, but in this case from down to up, means upward sweeping motion. Then clean the inside surface of lower teeth and again use an upward sweeping motion. And at the last, clean the surface of premolars and molars in the form of back and forth motion. So this is how we can take care of our teeth. So we will discuss microbes in next class. So thank you everyone.